Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today we're going to talk about how active should you be on LinkedIn? How frequently should you log into the platform? How frequently should you check your messages, build your network, and create content on LinkedIn? Now, what I recommend is to post at least 3 times per week. Now, you don't have to log in 3 times per week to get this set up. What you can do is you can use scheduling tools, and if you're limiting yourself to certain content formats such as text only or picture content, you will be able to use third-party scheduling tools such as Buffer, Hootsuite, or SocialBee to schedule your LinkedIn content way in advance. So you only have to sit down, let's say maybe once per week or every 2 weeks, create all of your content in bulk, and then schedule everything in advance so it can go live reliably, always on the same time, so you don't have to be on the platform all the time. What I highly recommend is actually to turn off notification both on your phone and email notification, and instead schedule LinkedIn quality time. What you can do is, depending on how many messages you're receiving, I would say log in at least 2 to 3 times per week. You could do this like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then you can check all of your incoming connection requests. You can reply to all of the comments that you have received. You can send out messages, you can accept connections, and you can work on expanding your network by reaching out to the right people. So that's my recommendation. Don't overdo it. Some people spend 24/7 on LinkedIn and then they're getting completely sucked in and don't get any work done. Really focus on treating this as like a skill that you want to use most efficiently. You want to be most efficient with your time. You're going to have great results on LinkedIn. Now, if you want to know how to build an entire LinkedIn sales funnel exactly with this premise in mind, having to spend like the least amount of time by getting the maximum results, I also highly recommend that you check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. Also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. And I see you in the next one. Bye.